What's up, dude?
What's going on?
What's your name?
Ison.
What are we doing out here?
About to jump out of a plane.
Yeah, why on earth do you want to do that?
Adrenaline rush.
All right, man, I'll take any excuse I can get. I'm ready.
Yeah.
You look ready.
I am.
I don't know if you know this, but you're wearing the latest in fall fashion.
Yeah.
Quite fashionable. You ready to go do this thing?
Absolutely.
Up top. Mom?
Get it.
Yes.
Yeah. You guys ready? We gotta finish it. Up, right hand down. Woo-hoo! Oh, shit! Right hand up. Yeah, buddy. Left hand up. Woo! Right hand up. Yeah. What do you think, What'd you think, dude?
Oh, best experience ever.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what do you think? You gonna come out here? You gonna?
Absolutely. I'm for sure doing this again.
You want to learn how?
I do want to learn how.
Yeah, buddy,
I really
next
do.
time.
Yeah.
You'll be taking me one of these days.
Alrighty.
Huh? Do you recommend this to anybody?
Absolutely.
What was your favorite part?
Probably doing the flips out of the plane, and then also the flips with the parachute too. That was
Pretty wild.
incredible.
Dude, you did fantastic.
Yeah.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Can't wait for the next one, dude.